welcome to my channel, guys. And today I have awesome news for the people that cannot use TikTok. So as of right now, you guys know that TikTok got banned in India, and also we heard a news a couple days ago, maybe US government will be banning the TikTok as well. So if you want to continue using the TikTok, and also if you already been on a TikTok and you hate losing TikTok, so I have a really great method. Before we start this video, let me ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys don't miss any videos in the future. Now that's out of the way, let's get this video started, and I'm going to show you guys something really awesome, really nice. And we're going to go to Cydia, and then once you go to Cydia, go to search and search for this package. I'm going to show you guys. It's already installed on my device, and it's called right there. So this is the tweak right here, as you guys can see, TikTok SIM card detection. And now with this, as you guys can see, this was dropped yesterday, and it is 7/9/2020. And as you guys can see, the description right here: disable the SIM card detection of TikTok so you are able to open TikTok in countries where it is banned. So wherever the TikTok is banned, if you have the iPhone and you're jailbroken, you're in a lock, you can still use your TikTok. All you need is this tweak right here. So once you download this, there's no configuration, there's no setting to configure from. It will take the effect in the background, and it is, as you guys can see, it's version 1.0, and I think the developer will be adding more features and more stuff to it. As of right now, this is brand new tweak, and it's awesome, and I really rely on this developer. So he's awesome, and I'm gonna put the package name, and also I'm gonna put the source name in the description below so you guys can copy and paste from there. And also thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also smash that bell icon so you guys don't miss anything in the future. And also once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.